How can you make reading better on your iPhone? Let me show you a couple of different things you can do and perform. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. At first, you can go to your settings app of the iPhone, and part of the display and brightness, you have, for example, the text size. So you can literally bump up the text across the entire iPhone. So if you feel like the text is too small or too large, you can adjust it in here. Sometimes the text size might be okay, but perhaps the text is not so clearly visible. In that case, you can also enable the bold text, which doesn't raise the size, but it just makes it thicker or like wider and perhaps easier to read. So a lot of people use that. And also at the bottom, we have the display zoom, which you can also change from the default to large text. And this doesn't apply only to like individual text, but even some icons get bigger. The notification bubbles or a text message things, the bubbles here also get larger, as you can see. So perhaps you want to switch to that view, and it will also be easier, or you can make it better to read on the iPhone screen. So these were the general settings you can do. However, you might be reading like a book on your iPhone or reading a web page like an article on the website. In that case, for example, you are browsing the web in a Safari. If you want to make that a better reading experience, you can click on the button next to the URL, and you have the small a and large a. And this lets you bump up or lower down the text size, not for the entire iPhone, but specifically for that website only. And the same thing with books as well. You can get inside your favorite books and perform the same changes where you can like change the size, font, and also the background of the book. So that is what you're going to do about it. Let me know in the comments if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you later in the next content videos like this. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.